take a look at social class diversity. Social class may be thought of as the social category of people based on their cultural, economic, political, or educational status. Often shaped by income, social class may also be identified by educational attainment, language, house, composition habits, and lifestyle, among other factors. Socioeconomic challenges remain a key barrier to economic progression of individuals, families, and communities around the world. Rapid changes in population and workforce demographics require organizations and leaders to develop a nuanced understanding of how people from diverse social classes are included and enabled to work effectively. The global economic and financial crisis increased public awareness of the rising inequalities produced by neoliberal capitalism and its impact on workers based on their class, gender, race, and geographic location. Understanding social class and its theories presents unique challenges for researchers and academic scholars, such as defining and operationalizing it. Although there's a plethora of literature about increasing diversity in the workplace, not much attention has been paid to the importance of managing socioeconomic differences between groups. As a result, diversity literature has often taken class for granted or acknowledged it only superfluously. Social class has a strong impact on access to employment, education, health, and power. The continuing gaps in educational attainment and economic inequality continue to create barriers for different socioeconomic groups in employment. The relationship between socioeconomic status, ethnicity, and academic ability is a topic of increasing interest. Students from upper and middle class families are likely to do better than those from lower class families. Education has become one of the most debated topics in terms of creating economic and social differences. Social class is known to have major impacts on one's physical health, and those from lower class families are likely to receive inappropriate nutrition and medical care, and as a result, their life expectancy will be lower. Notions of class and power represent theories about how a modern society works, and there is a strong relationship between the two. Social class focuses on the economic structure of a society, systems through which wealth is created and dispersed, while the second concept of power focuses on politics within society. Often, social structures are influenced by powerful forces within organizations and societies, which affect social identity processes and may result in adverse outcomes for certain groups and individuals. As a result, members of marginalized groups are often victims of prejudice, discrimination, and hate crimes.